How can I withdraw money from my Bitcoin wallet to my bank account?
Hello there, crypto enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to walk through the process of converting Bitcoin into good old-fashioned cash and then transferring it into your bank account. This process can seem a bit confusing, but don't worry. We will break it down into simple steps, making it easy for you to follow. Understanding how to exchange your Bitcoin into your local currency is a critical skill for any Bitcoin owner.
What do you need to get started?
To get started, you're going to need a few things. First, you'll need your Bitcoin in a digital wallet where you control your private keys. Next, you'll need a verified account on a cryptocurrency exchange that allows for selling Bitcoin and withdrawing money to your bank account. And, of course, you'll need a bank account.
How do you transfer Bitcoin to a cryptocurrency exchange?
Once you have these requirements in place, the next step is to transfer your Bitcoin from your wallet to the cryptocurrency exchange. 1. Log into your cryptocurrency exchange account. 2. Find the deposit section and select Bitcoin. 3. The exchange will provide a deposit address. Copy this address. 4. Now, go to your Bitcoin wallet, select Send, and paste the copied address. Confirm the transaction. Remember to double-check the address as Bitcoin transactions cannot be reversed.
How do you sell Bitcoin for your local currency?
After your Bitcoin has been transferred, you can sell it for your local currency. Here are the steps you should follow. 1. Find the trading section in your cryptocurrency exchange. 2. Select the Bitcoin trading pair with your local currency, e.g., BTC, USD if you're in the United States. 3. Place a sell order at the current market price or a price you're comfortable with. Once the order is filled, you'll have your local currency in your exchange account.
How do you withdraw your local currency to your bank account?
The final step is to withdraw your local currency into your bank account. To do this, 1. Go to the withdrawal section on your cryptocurrency exchange. 2. Choose your local currency and fill in the required bank details. 3. Confirm the withdrawal. Please note, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. And there you have it. You've just learned how to sell Bitcoin and transfer the funds to your bank account. While the process may seem a bit complicated at first, it's quite straightforward once you've done it a few times. As always, remember that cryptocurrencies can be volatile and trade responsibly. We hope you found this video useful, and happy trading!